All right, boys and girls, you know what time it is. Yeah, I get to show you my toys. Hey, I might help you, might teach you something. Let's see what we can do. Use Motorized presents cool motorized toys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's go. Okay, welcome everyone. Hey, I just want to give you a tip. If you get the 4-stroke kit, motorized bicycle kit, the 49cc kit, or if you have one and you have the little chain drive transmission on it, let me show you a little tip that's going to give you some extra miles on it and help protect this thing here. These aren't the best of transmissions, but if you do this, you'll get a little bit better use out of it, okay? So come on in, let's take a good look at this here. Okay, we're going to remove 2 Allen bolts and 4 8mm hex bolts. Pull that cover open. You're going to need a screwdriver to pry it open, and this is what you're looking at. A small chain, very little grease. Let's go ahead and lube that bad boy up. I'm going to put 2 big globs of grease in there. See what you got, okay? The cover's going to keep the chain clean. That's going to help. And then the grease is going to definitely keep that bad boy lubricated. There's your tip. As well, when you burn this sumbitch out here, go to thatsdax.com and ask old Dwayne about a better transmission for this here. He markets one. I think it's about $159. But if you don't want to replace the motor, you want to keep it going, and your transmission's busted, he's got a real good one that bolts up to these here that have the tapered shaft. Hey, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. I want to thank you for watching again. Y'all come back now. You hear?